I'm Renu. You're welcome to Healing Recipes. Today I'm going to make 3 types of veggie dishes using the same recipes. Each side dish will be ready in just 5 minutes. You can make various types of vegetables by using the same recipe, and you just have to chop the vegetables fine. I have not used any oil, but if you want, you can always do so. So let's start. I've taken 250 grams of broccoli, 250 grams of bottle gourd, and about half a kilo of carrot and 250 grams of frozen green peas. Nigella seeds 3/4 teaspoon, sesame seeds 1 teaspoon, cumin powder 1/4 teaspoon, coriander powder about 3/4 teaspoon, curry powder 1/4 teaspoon, and salt and chili flakes according to your taste. 2 slices of lemon to give a tangy taste. It's completely optional. I've grated the carrots, chopped the bottle gourd and the broccoli. Keep a pan on a high flame for about a minute and add nigella seeds after a minute. When they start splattering, put the flame low and after about 10 to 15 seconds, add all the dry spices and roast just for about 4 seconds. Add the chopped broccoli, 1/4 cup of water, salt, mix well and cover. Remove the lid after about 4 to 5 minutes. Mix well. Your vegetable is ready to eat. If you like them extra soft, you can always keep on flame for a little more time. Say another 3 to 4 minutes. Sprinkle some sesame seeds. In the similar manner, I took carrots with peas. Here I have taken grated carrot, but if you want, you can always slice it fine. It'll be ready in just 4 to 5 minutes and you can pan out. Sprinkle some sesame seeds. Once again, the same way you can make the bottle gourd. Just keep the small pieces and it will be ready in 4 to 5 minutes again. Sprinkle some sesame seeds. You can add lemon juice to the carrot and the green peas or the bottle gourd if you like the tangy taste. And the green fresh coriander on top. Your 3 types of veggies are ready in just 15 minutes. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.